plant species, it finally dawned on him that every single plant he had looked at were all made of cells. At the same time, on the other end of Germany was Theodor Schwann, a scientist who not only studied slides of animal cells under the microscope and got a special type of nerve cell named after him, but also invented rebreathers for firefighters and had a kickin' pair of sideburns. After studying animal cells for a while, he too came to the conclusion that all animals were made of cells. Immediately, he reached out via snail mail.
So what is this foldable, okay? We're going to create a learning and study tool using one blank sheet of paper that I've already showed you. Fold the paper in half like a hot dog. Fold it into thirds. Up, then down. Open it up. Cut one side of the flaps to fold so you have 3 flaps. Thumbs up if you got that. To the side if you don't understand. Wonderful. I see. Dekees, where are you? Antoine? Jackie? Excellent. DeAndre? Wonderful. So everybody understands how to make this foldable. What goes in it? Part 1, the first flap on the outside. Good job. Somebody's not on task over there. Idea, is that you? I hear something.
Jackson.
Oh, we found the cell theory rap.
I was all right there.
I found it too.
Okay.
That's the same thing I was.
Yes, ma'am.
You're on your way to a negative point. Thank you. All right. So I'm going to randomly select somebody.
That's not bad. I know.
Luke,
Oh,
share out for your group. Whatever one was the best one. Whose was the best in your group? All right. Can you stand up and tell us? Miss Jones? If we see anybody talking, I'm going to give them points off.
Right now we're sharing out. We have
No talking.
plenty of time to discuss as we were searching. Excuse me. You have plenty of time to chat. Now it's time to listen. Listen.
Luke can't read my handwriting, so I'm gonna read it.
So, class is open about 3 minutes.
Part 1 of the cell theory. All living organisms composed of one or more cells.
Who's the scientist and what was the evidence?
Anton Van Louis Hook. He came up with the first microscope, and the way he discovered bacteria was looking at teeth gum with his first microscope.
All right. Good job. All right. Next.
You have to be part
Random,
No.
next one.
Random, the next person, next table.
Giving him a point.
Wait, no, that's Anthony.
Luke and Anthony.
Everybody will get a point, I guess. But then I'm hoping that you discussed it.
Yeah, we discussed.
Good job, table 4.
Don't be back on the board like that.
Everybody gets a dojo at table 4. All right.
Then everybody.
Yep. So the next.
Next random is table is.
Who will it be?
Oh.
Brianna representing table 1. Part 2. Tell us about part 2 of the cell theory, Brianna.
And who was the best? Who did you all select?
Tyree. Go, Tyree.
Maybe that person should get an extra point.
Yeah.
Oh, then I need to get an extra point.
You will. Calm down.
I need to get my extra point so I can go to that party this week.
So now we're doing what? Oh, I love it. Active listening. He didn't say just listen.
All right.
He said active listening.
James. Ask the meeting, please.
Shh.
You listened well yesterday. I expect you.
Brianna, you ready to tell us about part 2 of the cell theory? Shh. Shh. Nice and loud. Wait. Wait.
My name is on it. Oh yeah, my name. I thought it was mine, so see.
You're wasting our time. Go ahead, Brianna. I'm sorry.
All of the organisms are made up of cells. But then,
Schleiden.
Schleiden discovered that plants were made up of cells. Theodore
Schwann.
Schwann discovered that animals were made up of cells.
All right, so we have Schlein, Schlein, Schwann, and Schleiden. Schleiden and Schwann. Very good, Brianna. And the last part of the cell theory, good job, table 1, Tyree, Brianna. Random pick. Random pick will be
Not Anthony, not Anthony.
table 5. Who has the best foldable over there?
Y'all supposed to build this out.
Yeah, they were supposed to have already figured out who was the best one because we gave. Moving on. Tavion. Table 3.
Mr. Michael Jackson's son.
Respect. Respect. Respect.
Who's reading?
Tavion is reading.
They know you not.
Shh. Shh.
No has the pathology, and he discovered that all living cells come only from other living cells.
All right. Virchow. Rudolph Virchow. All living cells come from other cells or pre-existing cells. Good job, Tavion. Good job, table 3.
Good job.
So you think,
Good job, Jackson.
do you think that now if somebody mentions the cell theory, what are you going to tell them? What, what are you going to tell them? Keith, what are you going to tell them? If somebody asks you about the cell theory, what are you going to tell them?
Our cell theory has 3 parts.
3 parts. Somebody else.
Oh, I got another one.
Oh, go ahead.
Part 1.
Don't read it. Use your brain. Read your brain.
Part 1 is
Everything is composed of cells.
What you say?
Everything is composed of cells.
Everything is made of cells.
But he was
Why not?
January the 1st.
All right, good. If you at least know one part, that feels good.
very Lewis Cook.
All right.